Hi guys, this is Phantom Vacuum Fan. I have a request for some vacuum experts out there. I guess specifically if you've had a Fantom Fury, then again if you really any vacuum, you might be able to tell me what's wrong with mine. This isn't the Fury I showed in my other video. I just was driving home today, and I passed a yard sale where they had 5 vacuums, a Dirt Devil Vision for $25. It was one of the real nice ones that hasn't been made in years, but it was one of their better ones. I was tempted to get that, but you guys know me. If it's a Fantom, I've got to pick it up, and they had this Fantom Fury. It didn't have any of the attachments. Its bumper is loose. I guess I could glue that on. I've tried latching it on, like opening it up and making sure that it's on the clips, but it just won't fit. But anyway, the big problem with mine is that it's making a weird, I'm not sure how, at first I called it a grinding noise, and then like everyone who hears it in my house calls it something else. I said either a grinding or a buzzing. My mom says that's like kind of like a or a whining. And my grandmother just says like a squealing. And it's subtle. It's hard to hear when it's in. You can hear it. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but it's like a eh. And that, it's fine. The brush, I changed the belt on to see if it was something simple like that. The old belt was really badly stretched out. I thought maybe the bearings were bad on the brush roll. But I'm going to plug it in, turn it on, vacuum with it for a couple minutes, and see if maybe you can pick up the sound on the camera, and if you can detect what it is. I don't know if anyone's that good, but I'm hoping so. I know that Phantom Lightning on YouTube had a Fury that had the bearings she thought were bad on, as well as, I can't think of, is it Vacmaster the Great? If not, I'm sorry. I haven't been on my computer to check, but I think he also had a Fury that had bearings that he thought were bad. So if somebody can tell me, please do, because if it's a simple fix, I have somebody, a YouTube member, who might be interested in buying it. If not, I might just part it out, because I don't want to, sell it or give it to somebody. Like my dad needs a new vacuum. I don't want to give it to him, have him use it for a day or two, and have it burn out. So anyway, here, let me plug in and I'll get started. Let me move this stuff. It has a couple issues with it, like there's a little tape on the cord. The handle lock in the upright position works, but not as well as it should. None of the attachments came with it. That noise and the headlight needs to be replaced. But for $20, the suction's good on it, and it does clean well. So, anyway, here goes. It also sounds different than my other Fury. It only happens occasionally, though, where you can really hear it, so I'll just let it run. It did slightly there. It's not doing as pronounced as it was earlier. You can kind of hear it there. Before I'm done with this video, I'll shut it off, let it wind down, and turn it back on, because it really doesn't sound right when you first turn it on. Oops. It doesn't sound right turning off either, but I pulled the cord, so listen carefully as I plug it in. And let me turn it off first. Okay, here we go. Okay, here. Picked up that one because that one was really pronounced. For that one. Yeah, I'm hoping it's just something minor because I just used my Fury yesterday, so there really isn't much dirt, but it picked up that little clump right there. The other stuff's from earlier, but so yeah, it works, but it just doesn't sound right. So anyway, if anyone could hear that and can tell me what's wrong, whether it's the bearings on it or if the suction motor is going bad, let me know, please. This is Fantom Vacuum Fan signing off. Thanks. Bye.